This is the Topcon TP-L6W laser manager training video. The laser manager app works with the TP-L6W pipe laser. The unit is compact, small enough to fit inside a minimum diameter pipe invert. Laser Manager is the go-to tool when you're working in tight spots where you can't reach the instrument. From your phone, you can change settings, check instrument status, and use it as a full remote control. Here's how to get started. Open the app and tap the icon to launch it. Step 2. Pair your phone to the TP-L6W over Bluetooth. Hit the plus button in the app to begin pairing. Before that, you need to enable Bluetooth on the instrument itself. On the instrument, press Menu. Scroll with the up-down key until Bluetooth shows up, then press Set. Scroll again to Pairing and hit Set. Instrument is now in pairing mode. Back in the app, hit Next. Your device shows up in the list. Select it and press Pairing. When you see the circular Bluetooth icon on the instrument display, you're connected. Now open Remote Control. We'll set the grade. Tap the grade field and type 0.5. Touch the top input area to enter the value. Hit Set. The instrument starts auto-leveling to that grade. Wait for the auto-leveling notification to clear before moving on. While the icon is blinking, the TP-L6W is still auto-leveling. When you have a Bluetooth connection active, you'll see that connection icon on the display as well. There are two ways to input grade: direct entry or the built-in grade calculator. For the calculator, punch in elevation A as 1 meter, elevation B as 1.2 meters, and horizontal distance D as 50 meters. Hit Calculate. The app computes 0.4% grade. Hit Set. The instrument auto levels, and once the message clears, you're locked in at the new grade. Now tap the bottom right centering icon. You can press and hold the arrow keys to manually steer the laser horizontally. There's also optional automatic alignment. When you activate it, the TP-L6W searches for the target on its own. The instrument and the app both show the same searching icon while it's working. Once it locks on, the TP-L6W centers itself to the target. The centering function does the same thing, drives the laser to dead center. Now let's cover self-leveling. The TP-L6W auto-levels within plus or minus 10 degrees on the slope direction and plus or minus 4 degrees on the axis direction. Watch what happens when I tilt the instrument. The laser starts blinking, and the icon on the display blinks too. Top left corner shows the leveling symbol. When leveling is done, the symbol disappears and the laser blinks fast briefly before going solid. After leveling is complete, the laser emitting icon shows steady. Now let's test the rotation axis. Tilt it past the limit and the instrument throws a tilt warning. That warning also shows on the instrument display. While auto-leveling on the axis direction, the laser blinks and the icon blinks. When it finishes, you get a solid laser beam and the laser symbol on the display. The tilt icon on the app clears out too. That covers the basic operation. Your mobile app mirrors exactly what the instrument shows. Green checkmark next to the instrument icon means Bluetooth is live. Hit the home icon to get back to the main screen. You can also lock the TP-L6W from the app so nobody can change settings on the instrument. Plumb bob laser. Hit the plumb bob icon to fire it up. The instrument shoots laser both up and down. The icon color tells you the active mode. Orange means it's on. 3 laser modes available: solid, blinking, and low power. Blinking is useful for high visibility work in daylight. Low power cuts battery draw and is easier on the eyes. When you're done, hit the home icon to get back to the main screen. Hit the settings icon for detailed configuration. You get device info and all the instrument settings. Anything you can configure on the instrument, you can configure in the app. When you're working in tight quarters, the app is a lot faster than messing with the instrument controls. With Bluetooth connected, the app shows plumb bob status, battery level, and the bubble level indicator. Bottom icon opens the FAQ. Hit the Topcon website button and it takes you straight to the download page. Manuals, spec sheets, all of it. Under support, you'll find setup guides, troubleshooting, specs, and accessories. You can also change the app language and check firmware version there. Now let's swap units. Hit the config icon and go to configure. Grade unit can be set to % or per mil, your call. Distance unit switches between meters and feet. Let's switch over to feet. There it is. The display now reads in feet. That wraps up the TP-L6W Laser Manager training. You're good to go.